I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings, press Windows plus I or click Start and choose the gear. Once there, go to Apps and choose Default Apps so you can see current associations. Make sure the media player you want is already installed, otherwise install it first. This step makes the system list available options and avoids later errors. Once done, you'll be ready to change the default for specific media types, which prevents unexpected apps from opening your videos or music. Now you change associations by file type. Scroll down and click Choose Default Apps by file type so each extension is visible. For each extension like MP4 or MP3, click the current app and select your preferred player from the list. If it's missing, choose More Apps, then look for another app on this PC. This gives fine-grained control so only the right formats open with your player. Make sure to update all common extensions you use to avoid mixed behavior. Finally, confirm defaults and exit settings. You can also set defaults by app or protocol for playlists and streaming links if required. Once done, restart File Explorer or reboot to ensure changes take effect system-wide. If the wrong player still opens, reinstall your chosen player and reassign defaults. This often repairs broken registry associations. If problems continue, run Windows Update and check for app updates. Sometimes an out-of-date app won't register correctly until updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.